Watch this next video to learn. So finding the right attorney to handle your vaccine injury case can be difficult. There's not a lot of attorneys out there that specialize in filing petitions in the vaccine injury compensation program. So it can be difficult to sit down with a local attorney who's going to be familiar with the program, how it works, even what your case is worth. So when you're finding an attorney, sometimes you're going to have to be doing phone consultations and speaking to lawyers over the phone. And to get a good feel with the attorney that you're speaking to, there's a few questions that you might want to ask. The first would be, are you licensed in the U.S. Court of Federal Claims? That's going to be a requirement to filing a petition for you in the vaccine injury compensation program. So if they're not licensed, they can't file the petition. Second question you're going to want to ask is, can you explain how this works, how this vaccine injury compensation program works? Because it's different than your typical lawsuit. It's a no-fault government system. There are two phases to the program. There's an entitlement phase and a damages phase. And the attorney should be able to explain to you how each phase works, the evidence that they're going to need to first satisfy the entitlement phase, and then get you the compensation you deserve in the damages phase. The last question that you should ask is, have you resolved any cases in the vaccine injury compensation program? The majority of cases do resolve via settlement. And part of that is knowing what a case is worth. So if your attorney can articulate to you, how many cases they've resolved, their experience resolving cases, then it might be a sign that they may not know what your case is worth or be familiar with that. And that's an important aspect to the program and to getting your case ultimately resolved.